Hi, my name is Krishna and I'm one of the founders of Ally. In this demo, I'll show you how to create a personalized sales proposal from meeting notes and an existing master deck. So let's dive in. For this demo, I'm going to use an example of StoryNest, which helps kids become better writers. I have this master deck which has different slides, so let's go over it together. A cover slide, some problem slides, solution slides which have product screenshots, value add, impact, pricing, implementation, and so on. And I also have specific meeting notes from a potential customer where they talk about their exact pain points, what they're looking for, and potential next steps. Now, let's use both of these resources to create a super personalized deck for the school. First, we're going to save some slides from this master deck that I want the AI to refer to and use it as it sees fit. So let's add the pricing slide, which stays same for all customers. We have this new button called Save as Template. So click on this. Let's give it some name like StoryNest Pricing. And then give it a tag. Save. And then similarly, let's add a template for this one. Let's call it StoryNest Implementation. Give it a tag. Cool. Now let's look at all of our saved layouts. So when you click on all layouts, you see the system layouts, but you also see the specific ones. So as you can see, the ones that we added are here, and then we also have the cover slide, solution slide, teachers, how they use it, students with product screenshots, the last slide, and these two that we just added. Now, let's take this call meeting notes along with a simple prompt. So the prompt is, I need to create a personalized proposal deck, use my save layouts for StoryNest wherever relevant, while personalizing the proposal based on my call notes. Make sure to add only 10 slides in total. As you can see, I'm keeping the prompt really broad, but you can be very specific on how you want it to use the layouts. So let's go here into agent, and then I'm just going to paste this as is, and I'm going to hit enter. So yeah, again, to iterate the prompt that we just read together, and then all the meeting notes are here. I'm going to pause while the AI generates these slides. As you can see, the AI finished generating the 10 slide proposal, and now let's see which slide came from where. This is a cover slide which came from our master deck. This is a very specific slide which came from the problems that they discussed. So let's go back to the meeting notes, and as you can see that the teachers here talk about 30 to 40% of the time is just lost in getting students started, and it's captured here really well by the AI. And then this is coming from our master deck. These are screenshots, so it's coming from a master deck. And this is coming from meeting notes. So let's go back here. And then you can see, like in the meeting notes, they talked about these things very specifically and what they're looking for. And the AI did a good job at capturing that and answering specifically for RVIS. This is coming from our master deck as we added it in the end. The pilot, this is specific to what they wanted in meeting, pricing slide, and next steps. These are coming from our master deck again. So as you can see, the AI was able to pick and choose and combine them into a personalized proposal deck really fast. And now you can just share it with your end customer as is immediately after the meeting. And you can also see analytics on it, on how they're looking at the deck, which slides they're spending time on, and where they need help. You can also generate this end-to-end using our API. So you can just send requests from within your product. Ally will generate the deck, and you can just automatically send it via email to your customer. Thanks.